there, and welcome to our latest episode of What's on the Horizon. I'm Lori Scherenbrock here with Chris Shooker of Digital Horizons. We've talked a bit about home theater systems. You kind of touched on this in a previous video, but are they still popular? Do people still call and ask for those to be done?
Yeah, actually, at the time of when we're recording this in late 2025, almost forgot what year it was somehow. Side note, how is it September already?
I agree. And 55 degrees out, by the way.
Yeah, cold front. We've been getting a lot of requests for home theaters lately.
Okay.
Yeah, an uncharacteristic amount. And it's great. I would say, like a lot of things in our industry and maybe home building or remodeling in general, there's a lot of ebbs and flows.
I'm sure, yeah.
Things come and go, and people and society just has a different way of utilizing their homes. And I don't have any sort of reasonable explanation on why the increase. I would chalk it up to being coincidental, but a welcome increase because we got into this industry because of home theaters and audio systems in general. If you've watched a few of our videos or you know me, I'm kind of a movie nerd.
Yes.
And so I get the little hair standing on my arms in excitement when someone calls and wants to do a home theater because it's something that I and we are really passionate about. So when someone wants to have that dedicated space, I get to get excited. I nerd out a little bit, and it's fun talking to somebody who is maybe already interested or from previous experience or is getting interested in having a space like that, because I know how cool it is to experience a cinematic movie in a well-designed, well-laid-out space. And it's fun to help people in that pursuit.
Yeah, I mean, I would say especially since COVID, people, your house isn't just where you live.
Yeah.
It's where you have experiences like that, and you have people. And so having a home theater experience, whether it's just, not a basic TV, but a nice TV and some nice speakers and whatever, you can go top of the line if you want, but you don't have to. You can have a great home theater experience installed by someone knowledgeable like you.
Yeah.
And do it in your regular old home. It's not just for the lake houses. It's for everybody.
Yep.
All right, cool. Well, if you've had it on your brain, clearly it's on Chris's brain too, and he would love to help you. So you can always give them a call, or if you have more questions, stay tuned for our next videos.